This is LeetCode 76, rated hard. And it scares people. But here's the thing, if you understand the expand then shrink pattern, this problem becomes completely logical. No tricks, no magic. Just a smart window that knows when to grow and when to shrink. Let me show you. Here's the problem. You have two strings, S and T. Find the smallest window in S that contains every character from T, including duplicates. If T has two A's, your window must have at least two A's. If no such window exists, return an empty string. Simple to state, tricky to implement. But we'll build it step by step. Example. S is ADOBECODEBANC, T is ABC. We need a window in S that contains at least one A, one B, and one C. Some valid windows, ADOBEC has all three, length 6. BANC also has all three, length 4. That's the smallest. So the answer is BANC. Here's how I think about it. Imagine you have a shopping list, that's string T, items you need. And you're walking through a store aisle, that's string S. You want to find the shortest section of the aisle that contains every item on your list. So you keep walking forward, expanding your range, until you find all items. Once you have everything, try to shrink from the start. Maybe you don't need the first few items. Keep shrinking until you lose something from your list. That's the minimum window. Brute force, try every possible start and end position in S. For each substring, check if it contains all characters from T, track the shortest valid one. This is O of n squared times m, where m is the length of T. With n being 100,000, that's up to 10 billion operations. Way too slow. The sliding window approach does this in O of n. Here's the strategy. We use two hash maps. The need map stores what characters and counts we need from T. The have map stores what our current window contains. We expand right, adding characters to the window. Once the window has everything we need, it's valid. Now shrink from the left, try to make it smaller while still valid. Every time we have a valid window, check if it's the smallest so far. Expand, then shrink. That's the rhythm. How do we know the window is valid? We track a counter call formed. Required is the number of unique characters in T. Every time a character's count in have reaches the count in need, formed goes up by 1. When formed equals required, the window contains everything we need. For T equals ABC, required is 3. Once formed hits 3, we have enough A's, B's, and C's. Simple counting. Let's trace it. S is ADOBECODEBANC, T is ABC, need, 1A, 1B, 1C, required is 3. Expand right. Add A, formed is 1. Add D, O, no change. Add B, formed is 2. Add E, still 2. Add C, formed hits 3. Window is ADOBEC, length 6. That's valid. Now shrink. Remove A from the left, we lose our A, formed drops to 2. Stop shrinking. Save ADOBEC as our best window, length 6. Now keep expanding right to find the smaller window. We keep expanding and shrinking. Eventually, we find the window BANC near the end. It has B, A, N, C, that includes A, B, and C from T, length 4. Can we shrink? Remove B, we lose our B, form drops. So BANC is the smallest we can get from this position. Length 4 is less than 6. New best. We reached the end of the string. Final answer, BANC. Here's the code. Part 1, set up and expand. We build the need map from T, counting how many of each character we need. Required is the number of unique characters in need. Formed starts at 0. Left pointer at 0. We track the minimum length and its starting index. Now the main loop, right goes from 0 to the end. Add each character to the have map. If this character's count just reached the required amount, increment formed. Part 2, shrink and track the minimum. Once formed equals required, the window is valid. Enter a while loop. Calculate window length. If it's smaller than our current best, update. Now shrink, remove the left character from have. If its count drops below what we need, formed goes down. Move left forward. Keep shrinking until the window becomes invalid. Then go back to expanding. At the end, if we found a valid window, return the substring. Otherwise, return empty string. Dry run. S is ADOBECODEBANC, T is ABC, need map, A1, B1, C1. Required is 3. Expanding, write 0 is A, formed 1. Write 3 is B, formed 2. Write 5 is C, formed 3. Shrink, ADOBEC, length 6. Save it. Remove A, form drops. Keep expanding. Write 10 is A, formed back to 3. Shrink, CODEBA, length 6. Same length, no improvement. Remove C, form drops. Write 12 is C, form 3. Shrink, BANC, length 4. New best. Remove B, form drops. End of string. Return BANC. Complexity. Time, O of n plus m, building the need map is O of m. The main loop, each character is added once by the right pointer and removed at most once by the left pointer. So total work is at most 2n, that's O of n, space, O of m for the hash maps, where m is the size of T. Compare this to the brute force O of n squared times m. A massive improvement. That's the expand and shrink pattern. Expand right until the window satisfies the condition. Then shrink left to optimize, in this case, minimize the window size. The two-map technique, need versus have, is incredibly powerful. You'll see it in permutation checks, anagram finding, and more. This is one of the most important sliding window problems. Master it, and the others become easy. Hit like and subscribe, more patterns coming.